Hello, today I am going to show you how to make your template in PowerPoint from Google Slides. To Paint. From Paint, okay, so we'll go to Paint and we'll make our own template like this. However, we can make in Paint. You can make at your own on Paint. Now we'll exit and we'll go to Save button and save anywhere. I'll save here. Okay. Now you can go to your any browser and type here Google Slides. You will get here Google Slides. Click here. And scroll down and you will go to Google Slides. And now you will get this blank. And you will get a background button. Click on that and choose image and browse my folder and here. And you will get add to theme button. Click on that and click done. Now how many PPT you like to make, you can make it. And now how to convert it into PowerPoint. You will get a file option or above. Up you will get the file button up file and you will get download. So how you will convert it. So I will convert it in Microsoft PowerPoint and click OK and see, you got this PPT now. Now you can do anything with this PPT. Yeah, this is your template now. And you can change the layout of this like this and like this. Like this. And you can do anything now with this PPT and it will. And if you are saving this theme, so go to design and save current theme and save the theme and type any name like office theme for work and save it. Now this will be saved with you anytime and anywhere. Now See, I will go to PowerPoint, blank presentation and design and this template. See, this template can do, and you can change text, anything you can do. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe and like it and share.